Today we are making this super moist banana cake. Let's get started. So these are all the ingredients you're going to be using. I'll also leave it in the description box, so please check it out. Now I've got baking soda, I have yogurt, I have milk, 2 eggs, granulated sugar. I also have baking powder, oil, vegetable oil, and I'm also going to be adding a little bit of vanilla extract and my bananas, and I also have flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. This is such a simple recipe. All that you have to do is to gather all your ingredients. Your first step. Your second step is to mix, and your third step is to bake, and that's it. I am saying a warm welcome to you. If today is your first time on my channel, my name is Evelyn and you are warmly welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I appreciate all you do. I also welcome my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for sticking with me. I appreciate it a lot. So I just added my oil and the sugar. I'm also adding the eggs. Then I am going to stir until everything becomes nice and smooth. Oops, don't forget the salt. So I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to stir. This, like I said, this is such a simple recipe. So you just follow along and do yours the same way, and I promise you, you're going to have a very nice and moist banana cake, okay? So this is smooth now. I am going to add the milk. That is 1/3 cup milk. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and I am using plain yogurt. I am going to mix and also add my vanilla, just about a teaspoon, and you'll be fine. Don't get scared. This is going to turn out great. So try it. You have all the ingredients in your kitchen. The bananas that are going bad, use them to make this banana cake, and you love it. So now I added a teaspoon of baking powder. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of baking soda. So these two leavening agents, the baking powder and the baking soda, are going to help the cake rise, okay? So that's where we are adding the two. Now sift your flour and your leavening agents into the liquid ingredients, and you're going to stir until no lumps are visible. Just be patient and gentle and smooth, okay? Now that this is done, I'm going to mash my bananas. I wait to the last minute because I don't want my bananas to brown on me. You can decide to mash your bananas even before you start mixing, okay? So just fold it gently into your batter, and it's done. Did I not tell you it's so easy to make? Just within 5 minutes and you have your batter ready. Now I'm using my springform pan. I'm going to pour my butter and bake it in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 40 minutes. It took me 40 minutes. So just check on yours after 30 minutes because every oven varies. I always say that. So keep checking on yours and make sure your steak comes out clean. So 40 minutes. Now look at this. Amazing. Now I'm gonna show you how I knew my banana cake was ready. I just put a stick in there like this into the thickest part, and it came out so clean. Now I knew it is ready. So make sure your stick comes out clean, and then wait for a little bit, then take it out from the pan and let it rest for a while, right? And then dig in and enjoy. This was so delicious, super moist and nice, sweet, and the more the bananas are ripe, the more sweet and flavorful your cake is gonna be. So don't throw those brown bananas away. Use them to make this cake, okay? And enjoy. Thank you so much for sticking with me, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, give a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share with your friends. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.